How's it going, everyone? Thank you so much for joining me in today's Bitcoin video. It's Monday, July 24th, and today we're going to be talking about exactly where we think Bitcoin is heading next after this insane drop. You're going to want to pay attention because we're going to go through a lot of data today. Stay tuned. If you remember with us, you just won 2 more scalping trades over the weekend. Congratulations to everyone that took those. This puts you now at 54 wins, 0 losses with 216% profit total, beating the S&P 500 by 2,160%. Based on the average yearly 10% return. Absolutely insane trading record that we've managed to create for our members. So if you want to get access to this and start winning your trades, grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Really quickly, I want to take you to coinglass.com. What you're seeing right now is in the last 24 hours, $136 million worth of long trades were liquidated, or wrecked in this case, but that's essentially meaning that they were liquidated. And this means you're seeing the price of Bitcoin drop significantly. You're seeing a perfect example of that with the bearish candle on Bitcoin. You're going to see more of that later in this video, showing exactly where we think Bitcoin's heading again. And with that, let's jump into the charts. Thank you so much for joining me on the Crypto Metrics and Trade Calls TradeConfident.io website. Typically, I like to take you to Bitcoin, but today, first, you're going to be wanting to look at the macro metrics. You're seeing a drop in Bitcoin dominance, and if we scroll down here, more importantly, your total crypto market cap dropped from about 1.16 trillion to 1.34 trillion. Overall, this is a drop of about $30 billion in the crypto market. That is a significant drop, and this is why you're seeing a lot of moves down in the market. I'm going to take you all the way back up to the metrics page. And let's jump into the Bitcoin metrics themselves. The first one we're looking at, of course, is the emotional index. Over the weekend, you saw a drop into fearful territory. This is typically where Bitcoin is going to see its bottom and then head back up. You're seeing this very consistently. It happened right here with an insane move up. It happened back here. You saw a big move up as well. The thing I need you to pay attention to here, though, is that despite this drop, we've actually moved up into neutral territory. What this means to you as a trader is it's actually possible for you to see a drop because we're so high up. Typically, the higher you are on this chart, the more likely you are to see a move down. It is possible we could see continued moves from this point. The next metric you're taking a look at is the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. You've just pushed above low volatility, and what this means to you is we are seeing higher volatility in the market. You may see a little bit of lower volatility, some consolidation as you test the next structure support, but we'll get into what that looks like later. First, I want to show you the Bitcoin whale smart money metric. You're seeing a massive spike in long trade sentiment, and it has surpassed the 800 level that you're typically looking for moves back up in the market. However, I do think you're going to see a little bit of a continued move down, and I'll show you why in the next couple of slides. Let's take a look. Bitcoin major support and resistance levels right here show structure support at $28,473. I think that's going to be your target for Bitcoin. You're already seeing the price hover very close to that, and once we see that happen, that's where you're going to be looking for the next bounce back up in Bitcoin. That'll form your higher low that you need to see for the continued uptrend, and I think that's going to be absolutely crucial before the next move. Next up, what you're seeing on Bitcoin long versus short trades. It's tough to see here, but it's actually an uptick in short trades with long trades not moving at all. Now, the scale at which these charts are is absolutely huge. You can see the massive numbers, 120,000 right here, 120,000 right here. So you know, if you see even a slight tick up in short trades, it's actually quite a significant amount. And that's exactly why you saw a price move down in Bitcoin. This is a crucial metric to pay attention to. And last but not least, I want to show you the Bitcoin trade signals chart. No signals to speak of today, but as we retest that structure support, I think that's where you're going to see the next buy signal. When you see a buy signal, that's when you're typically going to see moves back up in Bitcoin. Pay attention to that. And if you're a Bitcoin trader, you're actually going to need to pay attention to all of these metrics. Even if you don't trade Bitcoin, where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market goes too. So you need to be paying attention to these metrics. On top of Bitcoin, with a membership, you'll get access to 20 coins worth of metrics total. You'll get access to our winning trade setups, where we are now 54 wins, 0 losses, and you'll get access to our future forecast videos. A brand new members only content video is coming out from Travis himself, the founder of Trade Confident. You can get all this and more at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership is going to be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. I recommend the full access for $59 a month. You're going to get access to everything I just showed you and more, plus $450 off members only indicator coupon codes. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at the live charts. You're seeing Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the trend dashboard, TC top and bottom finder, support and resistance levels, breakout detector, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now, in the game of trading, your opponent is most often whales, so that's why we always pay attention to what whales are doing using the price versus whale money flow, arguably one of the most important indicators you can possibly get. What you're seeing right now is whale money being liquidated out of the market. They're selling out, and this is of course dropping the price of Bitcoin, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. As we approach this structure support at $28,473, as you can see here on the support and resistance levels chart, $28,473 is our closest structure support. You are seeing a 95% chance of a pump on the trades in favor chart. Very bullish. Price versus well money flow low is bullish as soon as we see low on that, with trades in favor low, especially as we approach structure support at that $28,473 level. And especially here, if we see a buy signal like we did back here, all three of these will combine to be extremely bullish. This is exactly what I'm looking for moving forward. And we actually just bounced out of the breakout zone, so it may take a little bit. We're seeing a little bit less volatility about to happen as we consolidate at the structure support. But again, from there, it's just a matter of time before we see a pretty significant move up. Let's bring back the support and resistance level chart to structure resistance at $31,443. We're going to make a line right there just to make it a little easier to read. And from the current price, this would be a move up of about 8%. And if you do bounce off that structure support, you're going to see a move of more like 10%. I think you're going to see a very healthy move play out in this market. And if you want to get access to these absolutely crazy winning indicators, of the 54 wins that we have currently, a ton of them, at least since 40, have been with these indicators. So if you're a member with us and been taking trades recently, you've actually already back tested these indicators. You see how well they work, and with that, if you want to get access, you get a crazy coupon. Let me show you how. All you're going to want to do is head into the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the pro indicators page right here. Members get $150 off. This means it's actually cheaper to buy a membership and then the indicators than it is for non-members to purchase the indicators alone. So you're essentially getting a free month's worth of membership plus an additional discount. So if you're a member, just click access this coupon. From there, write down that coupon and then head to the Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Crazy deal. Click add to cart. So you see the total $848 after that discount. So $848 minus the $150 members only discount. Boom, you get $698. And if you're a previous bundle pack owner, if you own our original bundle pack, you can take an additional $100 off. Subtract 100. Boom. And you get $598 for our flagship indicators, the best indicators that Trade Confident has to offer. Again, these won us 54 wins. Absolutely insane. Grab them in the description down below. And one last time, based on what we're seeing from the indicators, we do have a little bit of room to move down. I think you're going to see $28,473 structure support be tested. And after that, I think you're going to see a move up to around $31,443. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.